written by Walt Whitman about Mr. Abraham Lincoln. From this class, you can either call me Mr. Keating, slightly more daring, or Captain, my captain.
Sir? Oh, Captain, my captain.
Gentlemen.
Oh, Captain, my captain.
Sit down, Mr. Anderson. Sit down! This is your final warning, Anderson.
Oh, Captain, my captain.
Sit down! All of you! Down! I want you seated! Sit down!
Thank you, boys.